Hello friends, in this video I will guide you about how to optimize speed of your website. As you know, there are various methods to boost up the speed of your website, because if the speed of your website will be high, bouncing rate will be low. When client visit your website, they will stay on your website. They will read your content, they will see pictures you have uploaded, or see your videos. But if the content is not optimized, or the speed of your website is not optimized, they will bounce back. And it is the Google factor, ranking factor, that if the clients will bounce back, your website will not achieve high ranking. So it is very important that your website should have a high upload speed, that when a client or visitor enter your URL, and your website must be uploaded within 1.5 second or within 1 second. Various methods to boost the speed of your website, like on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO, image optimization, video optimization, content optimization. All these things are done to boost the speed of website. But in this video I will guide you about a plugin that can boost your speed of website. Before installing the plugin to boost the speed of your website, it is important to know the latest speed, recent speed of your website, that how is it performing. So copy URL of your website and enter into and paste it in gtmetrics.com and test your site. You can visit other page speed insights, like this is an other website. You can enter your URL to check the speed of your website here before installing the plugin. You can check speed of your website on different platforms like pingdom.com or page speed insights or gtmetrics. These are different platforms to know the recent speed of your website. Do these tests and then compare the performance of your website. After checking the recent results of your website, that how is it performing, page speed insights performance is 79% of website, and here is 77%. So now you are well aware about the recent performance of your website. Now it is time to go on WordPress plugins to install the plugin of interest. Go to plugin, add new. Here search for Swift Performance plugin, and this is here. Click on install now, and then activate this plugin to boost the speed of your website. We will compare the result after its setup. Here you can click on auto configuration. Click on start. It will take some time. Click on next. Click on Swift Performance Dashboard. As your website is ready, plugin is installed and activated. Go to Swift Performance Dashboard. Here are some information about your website, that how much pages are present here. Now you have to visit your site, reload its page, now copy its URL to again test the speed of your website. The previous performance of website is 69% and uploading speed is 10.6 seconds, and it is very lengthy time. So in this way you can boost the speed of your website. But you should know that it does not only depend on this plugin, it depends on size of images you have uploaded on your website, size of videos you have uploaded, format of images that you have uploaded in JPG format or PNG format, as recommended as PNG format. Also, speed of your website depends on structure, that how website is structured, and also depends on optimization of your website, that how much plugins you have uploaded and what is the hosting of your website. If the hosting server is near your continent, then speed will be optimized, and if it is from another continent, the speed will be affected. So host server, structure of website, on page optimization, image optimization, content optimization, all these, there are various factors that speed depends on. Here I have guide you about one plugin that can boost speed of your website if you have worked on other factors. So hope it makes sense for you. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.